Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening the GPS camera app and going straight to Settings. This is where the language control lives. Tap the gear or three-dot menu because the language option is nested there. Once you see Settings, confirm the app has location and storage permissions so translations and overlays load correctly. If permissions are missing, grant them now. Without them, the app may revert to system defaults. This first step prepares the app to accept a language change reliably. Now scroll to Interface, Display, or General. Different apps label it differently, so look for Language or Locale. You should see a list of available languages. Tap your preferred one to select it. Make sure to confirm or tap Apply if the app requires it. Once done, restart the camera preview or the app itself so all overlays, labels, and date formats refresh. This forces the app to rebuild text assets in the chosen language and prevents mixed language displays. To finish, inspect overlays, timestamps, and menus to confirm the new language is active. This verifies date formats and GPS labels updated correctly. If the language didn't change, clear the app cache, then force stop and reopen the app. This often resolves stale resource loading. If problems persist, reinstall the app and reapply settings, and make sure the app supports that language versus only relying on system locale. One troubleshooting tip: clearing cache usually fixes hidden resource conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.